Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Infiniti Q50. First, gather your jumper cables and a reliable working vehicle. Make sure both cars are in park or neutral and completely turned off for safety. Next, locate your Infiniti Q50's battery. It's typically found under the hood, often beneath a plastic cover, ready for the next steps in the process. Now, let's connect the jumper cables safely. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to your dead Infiniti Q50 battery's positive terminal. Then, connect the other red cable end to the working vehicle's positive terminal. Next, connect one black negative cable clamp to the good battery's negative terminal. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Infiniti Q50, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try to start your Infiniti Q50. If it doesn't start, wait a few more minutes and try again. Once your Q50 starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection, starting with the negative cable from your car. After successfully jump-starting your Infiniti Q50, drive it for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently. It's also a good idea to have your battery and charging system tested by a professional soon to identify any underlying issues. For more great tips and deals, including information on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video. Finally, if your battery is old, consider replacing it to avoid future jump-start situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.